Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to search for songs on Spotify. First, open Spotify on your computer. On the left side of the Spotify window, click on the search option. Now you will see a search box where you can type the name of a song, artist, album, or playlist. For example, let's search for a popular song. Click inside the search box and type the name of the song. After typing the song name, wait for the search results to appear. You will now see different results related to your search. Look for the Songs section to find the song you are looking for. You may also see results for artists, albums, playlists, and other related content. Now, click on the song you want to listen to. The song will start playing in Spotify. You can also use the search feature to find a specific artist. Simply click the search box again, type the artist's name, and check the results. If you are looking for a specific album, you can type the album name in the same search box. Spotify will show the most relevant results based on your search. This makes it very easy to find almost any song or artist available on Spotify. If your first search does not show the result you want, try using a different spelling or type a few more words from the song title. You can also search using the artist's name along with the song name to get more accurate results. So whenever you want to quickly find a song on Spotify, simply open search, type the song or artist name, and choose the result you want. That's how you can search for songs on Spotify. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.